Well, hello everybody. Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And tonight we're going to talk about a very critical subject that's going to help everybody on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And that is the subject of that you're going to have to, on occasion, make modifications and adjustments to your macros and to your program. And we'll speak about that at length on this video. Experiment and adjust. The key to success on the ketogenic lifestyle. Embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle is an exciting journey that promises numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and better energy levels. However, as with any dietary change, success on keto requires a willingness to experiment and adjust. The keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all solution or template, and finding what works best for you may take some trial and error. Here's why being open to trying different approaches and making adjustments as needed is crucial for achieving your health goals on keto. Let's speak now about understanding the basics of keto. The ketogenic lifestyle and diet involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. So we're reducing carbohydrates dramatically and replacing it with fat. This macronutrient shift puts your body into a state of ketosis where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. And with keto, we always lead with nutrient-dense proteins. With this basic principle in mind, which is pretty simple, the way it affects each individual can vary widely. Factors such as age, gender, activity level, medical background, and metabolic health all play a role in how your body responds to keto. Let's speak now about the importance of experimentation. When starting keto, when beginning the program, it's essential to experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Here are some areas where you might need to adjust. Number one, macronutrient ratios. How we deal with carbs, proteins, and fats. The standard keto diet typically includes about 70 to 80% fat, 15 to 20% protein, and 5 to 10% carbohydrates. However, these ratios might not be ideal for everyone. Some people find that they do better with a higher protein intake, while others may need more carbs, especially if they're very active. Experiment with different macronutrient ratios to see how your body responds. Number two, the types of fats. Not all fats are created equal. While keto emphasizes high-fat intake, the types of fats you consume can make a big difference. Incorporate a variety of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, and monitor how your body reacts. You may find that certain fats, such as those from dairy, cause inflammation or digestive issues, while others may make you feel great. And of course, from my own experience, dairy and nuts are both very inflammatory foods for some, and they may in fact disrupt the weight loss process for many folks. So that's something to take notice of. Number three, meal timing and frequency. Some people thrive on intermittent fasting while others need regular meals. throughout the day to maintain energy levels. Experiment with different eating windows and meal frequencies to find what works best for you, keeping you satisfied and energized. Number 4, keep in mind food sensitivities. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Even on a keto diet and lifestyle, certain foods might trigger sensitivities or allergies that can hinder your progress. Everybody is very different. Keep a food diary, which is really important, and note any adverse reactions to certain foods. Eliminating or reducing problematic foods can significantly improve your results. Now, let's speak about adjusting as needed. As you experiment and go with trial and error, be ready to make adjustments based on your findings. Here are some tips for effectively adjusting your keto approach. Number 1, always listen to your body. Your body will give you feedback on how it responds to your dietary choices. Pay attention to signs like energy levels, mood, sleep quality, and digestion. If something feels off, don't be afraid to make changes. And my major tip here is to stop eating 3 or 4 hours before you go to sleep. That's very, very critical to enhance your sleeping routine. Number 2, stay flexible. Be willing to adjust your routine and approach as your body changes. What works for you at the beginning of your keto journey might need tweaking as you progress. For example, you may need to adjust your carb intake as you become more fat adapted, or increase your protein if you start building more muscle. Number 3, seek professional guidance. Consulting with a healthcare professional, ketogenic lifestyle coach, or a nutritionist who understands keto can provide valuable insights and help tailor the diet to your specific needs. They also can help you navigate any challenges and make informed adjustments that can be of help to you. Now, let's speak about embracing the journey. The ketogenic lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of experimenting and adjusting as an opportunity to learn more about your body and what it needs to thrive. By staying open to trying different approaches and making necessary adjustments, you'll set yourself up for long-term success and enjoy the full benefits of the ketogenic lifestyle. In conclusion, the key to a successful ketogenic lifestyle and diet lies in your willingness to experiment and adjust. That's a key word. Each person's body is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. By being open to trying different approaches and making adjustments as needed, you can find the optimal keto plan that works best for you. So don't be afraid to experiment, listen to your body, and adjust your approach to achieve your health goals. Happy keto journey to you. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. I would be honored if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll speak to you tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye now.